So we're going to do a video on simple interest, and simple interest is not a super difficult topic. It's one quick formula, and once you know what the letters mean, you're in good shape. So basically, the formula is this: the interest is equal to the principal times the rate times the time. Interest is the amount of money you earn on something, on money that you've put away. So let's say the principal is the amount of money that you are putting away. All right. Time is going to be in years, and the rate is a percent. So you're going to have to actually divide it by 100. All right, which is kind of redundant since we know that percent means per 100. So let's see. But I'll explain that in a minute. So let's say I had $500 and it got invested at a rate of 3.4% for 5 years. All you would do is you'd say interest equals 500 times 3.4%, but I need to convert this into a decimal. So remember, percent means over 100 times 5 years. So I get interest equals 500 times 0.034 times 5. And when you do that, let's see. I'm going to go to my calculator. I have 500 times 0.034 times 5. And it looks like I'd make a whopping $85. So my interest would be $85. Now this is simple interest, and there's something called compound interest, which you don't need to know quite yet, and but it's a little bit more realistic. Simple interest is pretty easy to do. You might run into a problem like this. You might say, all right, well, what if I earned $12? All right, I earned $12 interest. I had invested $400, and I invested it for 3 years. What rate did I get? Well, you'd still set it up the same way. I equals P times R times T. Let's say 12 equals 400 times my rate, which I don't know, times my time, which is 3. Let's say 12 equals, well, I'm going to multiply 400 times 3 times my rate, which is R. Oh, this is kind of funny. I'm going to divide by 1200 now. And take a look what happens. I get 1 over 100 equals rate, which is 0.01. And that should make sense. This is 1/100th. That's 10. That's 1/100th equals my rate. Now, if I wanted to make this as a percentage, I'd multiply by 100. And when you multiply 0.01 times 100, I'm going to move my 0 over 2 spots. And I get 1%. That's it. That's simple interest in a nutshell. You'll probably only have to worry about this. You probably will not need to worry about this. So, but in case you do, you have it. All right. Enjoy.